And the other question is, will I have my phone in Jannah?
When?
Will I have my phone in Jannah?
Depends. Is iOS or Android?
So,
Some people have questions that are very weird. People come to me, Sheikh, can I have my pet cat in Jannah? How is it possible? So I love my cat, Sheikh. Ya akhi, first, make it to Jannah. And when you are in Jannah, I guarantee you that Allah will make you satisfied beyond belief, beyond imagination. فيها ما لا عين رأت ولا أذن سمعت ولا خطر على قلب بشر. In Jannah, there are things that no eyes had seen, no ears had heard of. It did not even cross the minds and hearts of any human being. You cannot imagine. But to ask such questions, either you're serious, so my answer to you, such question is irrelevant, because who will be your network provider in Jannah? So even if you have your phone, it's not going to work unless you know who's your network provider. And if it's not a serious question, you have a problem, because you're wasting the Sheikh's time, your time, and maybe you're mocking the religion which can take you out of the fold of Islam. Very, very dangerous. So turn off your phone and be serious.
Yes.